tips, another in the little Tuesday tips series. When you're doing a rounded shaped bowl, vessel, hollow form, bowl, whatever it is that you're making that's got a nice round bottom on it, in order to give it some light under there, some lift off the table a little bit so it makes it lighter, more delicate looking. If you notice, I've got a little foot, a little proud of the bottom on there. So that gives it a little bit of lift on the table. It'll seat on the table a little bit high. Let me show you what I mean here, I think. See how it gives it a little bit of light under there. Thanks for watching. Please support my sponsors, Hunter Tools, Thompson Tools, and Starbond. Subscribe on your way out, and see you next time.